crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is just a quick rundown of some of the Christmas cards that I've done from a kit that I got from Crafter's Companion on HSN, maybe 3 years ago. And so it's the Hunkydory, A Christmas Past and a Cuddly Christmas card kit. They are so adorable, and let me tell you, if you have an opportunity to get a good deal on these, pick them up. They come with quite a few themed, even within this. They have themes, 2 sheets of very, very heavy cardstock. It's almost, I don't know, it's just very heavy cardstock, and then cut-aparts that go along with that theme. So like you can see here, there's penguin theme, that's teddy bear. Here's a Santa Claus, and just really cute. So here you can see what it all comes with. Here's JC coming to say hi. And then the sheet that tells you how you can work with those. Now, I just kept it very simple because I wanted to get them done. The mail has been so unpredictable around my part of the country, so I wanted to get them out as soon as possible. Excuse the tail. And so this one is Christmas Past, and this was the different themes within that as well. So let me just quickly run you through some of the cards that I did. I got out of the 2 packets, and I still didn't finish it all. I got about 40 cards. So, and then on the inside of them, I used my Anna Griffin Christmas sentiment inserts, and it's really meant to be, well, I guess for anything, but this is what I use them for. And then I'll sign them and send them off. Most of them are 5x7s. I have a few that are the slim line that are 4.5 by 9 or 4 by 9s, and then I have one that is extra large that I did a special one for one of my cousins. And then on a lot of them I put I had a stamp that I had gotten from somewhere, and it says, "Never Christmas morning, never the old year ends, but someone thinks of someone, old days, old times, old friends." And chokes me up every time I read it. But anyway, this is the paper that I folded, and then the cut-aparts, I just popped up some of them. Some of them came with frames. I made banners out of just extra pieces. Some of them came with some sentiments, some didn't. It just depended. But I thought that was pretty. There's a clothesline full of Santa Claus. And my Santa went out today, actually Friday for the first time, as Santa in our neighborhood. He does it every weekend between now and Christmas. So off Santa went. And here is Rudolph, and here's the cut-aparts too. They came in different shapes, different sizes. Ho, ho, ho. This one is a cutie. And you can tell which ones are the cuddlies and which ones are the, I had some bows that from Close to My Heart from years ago that I used. Also the glitter I used from Close to My Heart that I had extras of. Trying to use what I can of my stash. This one's very pretty too. These came from the traditional ones. Really pretty cardstock. And it's glossy. It's very thick. It's wonderful. Holly Jolly Christmas. And these came from the traditional as well. Another Santa. Some of them had angels and Santas, and I mean, it was just really, really beautiful. I loved the cuddly ones too. This particular themed one was almost like Dickens. There's one more out of that one piece of paper that I had. And there's another reindeer and someone special. And there you go. So those are the ones that I made up real quick, and just wanted to show you that there's a gal, and if I can find her again, I will post it down below. But if you have any of these Hunkydory kits, just do Hunkydory on YouTube, and she has like every kit, and she shows how she does them, and she does them fancy bold cards and things like that. So look for her, and I'll put it down below if I can find it. So get going on your Christmas cards. We got a lot to do. It's just the beginning, not even December 1st. It's right after Thanksgiving that I'm talking to you now. So go craft. Bye-bye.